What if the most beautiful men in history opened their eyes again? Would they still steal your heart today, in color? Let's bring forgotten faces back to life. 1. James Dean, American actor icon, in his 20s already the epitome of brooding rebellion. 2. Arthur Rimbaud, French poet prodigy. His beauty burned with radical intensity and poetic rebellion. 3. Prince Felix Yusupov, Russian aristocrat. His beauty lay in polished grace and a hint of dangerous allure. 4. Oscar Wilde, Irish poet. His beauty was decadent, delicate features, and a smile that dared the world. 5. Thomas Edward Lawrence, young Lawrence of Arabia. His rakish charm hinted at desert sands and daring deeds to come. 6. Andrew Irvine, young British mountaineer. His beauty lay in daring, the face of a dreamer drawn toward Everest's lonely summit. 7. Rupert Brooke, a young Apollo whose golden hair and clear blue eyes became legendary Adonis grace. 8. Jack London, American novelist and adventurer. His vitality and frontier spirit shaped a natural, untamed handsomeness ready for wild seas and untrod paths. 9. Ernest Hemingway, young American writer. His rugged beauty hinted at adventure, grit, and stories waiting beyond the horizon. 10. Fridtjof Nansen, Norwegian explorer. His cold beauty looked carved by snow and storms, untamed and proud. 11. Aleister Crowley, English occultist and poet. His beauty was uncanny, a pale canvas for rebellion and forbidden charisma. 12. James Stark, British landscape painter. His delicate beauty reflected an artist's soul, a face tuned to light and nature. 13. Johannes Brahms, German composer. His beauty was rugged, high cheekbones, strong jaw, a wild poet's grace. 14. Anton Chekhov, Russian playwright. His beauty was gentle intellect, a quiet, empathetic charm softly held in literary promise. 15. Friedrich Nietzsche, German philosopher. His striking features carried a raw intellectual magnetism, powerful, brooding, untamed. 16. Franz Kafka, Czech writer, young and earnest with soft mustache and solemn dark eyes. 17. Yonejirō Noguchi, Japanese poet and critic. His beauty radiated quiet intellect and literary depth. 18. Cristóbal Balenciaga, Spanish fashion master. In youth regal and slender, with aristocratic poise and intense eyes. His elegance was both refined and revolutionary, beauty forged for haute couture. 19. Mike Tiernan, American baseball star, posed in uniform at his athletic peak. His youthful charm shone through steady eyes and a confident smile. His beauty lay in stamina and quiet strength beneath that cap. 20. Rudolf, Crown Prince of Austria, Austrian heir, portrayed young and elegant with soft jawline and contemplative eyes. His princely allure blended innocence and promise before time's shadows crept in. 21. Alfonso XII of Spain, Spanish king in youth, slender and regal with refined jaw and earnest gaze. His early portraits reveal noble beauty shaped for both crown and compassion. 22. Robert Kajanus, Finnish conductor-composer, youthful face framed by crisp linen collar, eyes serious yet luminous. Beauty born of music and Nordic restraint, a quiet charisma that commanded orchestras. 23. Gustave Le Gray. French photographer, youthful and poetic with soft curls and a gentle, reflective gaze. His beauty was like his art, luminous, timeless, shaped by light and shadow. 24. Henry van der Weyde. Dutch-born photographer, early portrait shows refined cheekbones, thoughtful eyes behind pince-nez. His delicate beauty spoke of vision, an artist poised to capture others' souls through his lens. 25. Hermann Rorschach. Swiss psychiatrist, creator of the inkblot test, young with contemplative gaze and a thoughtful curve of his lips. His beauty lay in that calm intellect, fine features framing a mind always probing shadows. 26. Benjamin Piat Runkle. A rebel knight with cheekbones sharp as his honor, his stare holds storms and soft light all at once. Did such fierce beauty dare death to look away? 27. Jan Kubelik. A Czech violinist whose refined grace transcends mere music. His tousled hair and deep-set eyes blend aristocratic poise with passionate intensity. Could such captivating elegance strike more chords in memory than any concerto? 28. Eugen Sandow. Prussian strongman, father of modern bodybuilding, famed for a body like carved marble. In youth, his perfect muscles and playful smile made him living sculpture. 29. Anthony Fokker. A daring aviator whose beauty soared past mere mechanics, strong jaw, wind-tossed hair beneath his cap, eyes alight with fearless curiosity. His effortless charm lay in that blend of boyish intrigue and steely resolve. Did the world know it then, or only feel it when he first looked skyward? 30. Almanzo Wilder. American farmer and Laura Ingalls. Wilder's beloved handsome as prairie dawn. Boyish charm, fair hair, and open blue eyes made him timeless rustic beauty.